Hi, hello. Today we are going to see a home remedy, a decoction for common cold and cough. This decoction is rich in antioxidants. It has antibacterial and antibiotic property that cures fever. Also, the ingredients added in this decoction helps in digestion. Let's see the ingredients necessary for making this decoction and how we are going to make this decoction.